This is a brand new 2015 Mazda CX-5. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Mazda of Mesquite is located at 15900 LBJ Freeway in Mesquite. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.